Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can apply without delay. Check age, any required certifications, and fitness standards. Make sure your background check records are accessible. Once done, compile your resume, contact list of references, medical clearance, and maintenance or seafaring certificates. Organize them in one folder. Finally, search relevant listings, maritime agencies, national park or coastal authorities, and note application deadlines and required formats so you're ready to submit immediately. Now you build the core application. Tailor your resume to emphasize maintenance, navigation, emergency response, and teamwork. Quantify experience where possible. Next, write a one-page cover letter that explains why you want the Lighthouse post, the specific skills you bring, and your availability. Once those are ready, fill out any agency forms carefully, attach PDFs of certifications, and double-check contact details. Make sure file names are clear and dates formatted consistently so reviewers can process you fast. Finally, submit your application through the required channel and confirm receipt. Check timestamps so you meet deadlines. Once submitted, follow up politely after 10 to 14 days to reaffirm interest and availability. Persistence shows professionalism. If you don't hear back, troubleshoot. Check spam, verify that attachments opened correctly, resubmit as PDF if needed, and call the hiring office to confirm they received your file. If an interview is offered, prepare situational answers about maintenance and safety procedures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.